Lunchtime, Monday, May 11th. We are at Toddy shop, Mudakkali Toddy shop, family restaurant. So let's go see what the food is like. Private hut. And it's surrounded by water. Not great, but we have water, we have crane. It's a small crane right there. Okay, so we're here sitting down and it's about 2:30 and we tried to order, but some of the stuff they have run out. They said it was busy, which is probably true. So we're ordering parota and kallapam. And for curries, we are going to have curry mean fry, viral curry, which is snake fish, I believe, and prawns. I think that's it. Oh, pork fry. Don't forget the pork fry. And then there's something called the Mudakkali, which is most probably wine. We will see when we get it. The toddy, we asked, it is from the morning, so it might be a little bit too much fermented. And of course, they might add some stuff to it if it's not fresh. Okay, so we're not getting that. So we'll wait for the food. So this is what they call it, Mudakkali, in a bamboo jar. And if you look at it, there it is. Can you smell it? So this, yes, it smells like toddy. We'll see how the taste is. Okay, pour. Yes. So here it is. Appa cheers, huh? Oh, I'm going to So. So they call it Mudakkali, which is a sweet toddy, but to me, it's not sweet. It can be more sweeter. We have snakehead, fish, curry bean fry, prawns, chicken 65, pork fry, chicken 65, and we have prawns. Looks really good. With a big fish, lots of pieces. We'll wait for the parota and the apple. But I gotta wait. I cannot wait for this one, so I'm gonna have a pork. It's okay. Not the greatest. Spice is there, but the flavor not there. Okay, it's there, but not much. You could use a bit more masala. It's cooked well. It's soft. Okay, no problem. But that flavor not there to the fullest. Okay, so I'm gonna pass this off. I will taste it, but I will have it. This is chicken 65. You taste it? Spicy. It's got the masala, but it looks like it was fried first, then more masala added, because it has a little bit of that raw flavor masala on it. It's not cooked properly. I mean, chicken is cooked properly, but there's some masala that is not properly fried, roasted. Taste is there, but out of 1 to 10, it'll be about a 6 or 7 maximum. I'll try the fish curry. So big piece, nice and thick. Yes, cooked well. Out of the 3, this is the best. I mean, I should say better. So now you ask, what is it missing? Bit more sourness on the fish. That tartness is there, but could use a bit more. The gravy. Okay, stand corrected. The gravy has the sourness. So the fish have to stay in the gravy to absorb that tartness. If you take the fish, mix it with the gravy, it's good. So this is the prawn curry. That adds flavor. Okay, gotta admit, it has flavor. So again, you would ask, there has to be something wrong, right? Because of course I didn't make it, so there has to be something wrong. That's what you're thinking. And you're absolutely right. What is it? Shrimp is a little bit overcooked. It's not to the point that it is rubbery, but slightly overcooked. But it's still tasty. Okay. So the next thing I have to try is the ketamine fry, and I will do that a little bit later. So I took the appam, which is, they call it kallappam, which means the batter is mixed with the toddy. So it has a little bit of fermentation to it. So I'm going to try it by itself. Okay. Yes, taste there. When you say kallappam, yes, it has toddy in there, but the way you make it is in that special pan, the lace appam. Okay, that'll take time to make it. Therefore, when they're busy, what they do is make it on a griddle, like uttapam or dosa. So the kallappam could be referred to as kallappam, made on a stone. Okay. So this is kallappam. Okay, but taste is there. Okay. I missed recording, so here it is again. Take 2. Ketamine fry. Taking a little bit of piece. The texture, the look is good because it looks crispy outside and nice and white inside. Let's see the taste. Really good. I would say the best among these. It has cracked pepper on top of it, and it's roasted, and that flavor is there. Spicy, all of them are spicy, and of course that's what you expect in a shop. So yeah, it's good. Now I'm not gonna give you the review of. No, I will do that. Okay, parota as well. Parota. Texture wise, would I call it a parota? Well, you can call it, but would it be a parota? I don't think so, because parota, you have to crush it, so it has to be layered, right? It has to come out. It's still layers, but not like all broken up. Let's see the. It's soft. Okay. Let's see the taste. No, you wouldn't believe it. It has a fermented taste. I don't know if the dough has been made and then left outside, so it fermented a little bit more. Okay. So as I said, the look of the parota is not there. The feel, it is soft, but the taste is fermented. So the kallappam and ketamine fry, top of the class in here. Pork fry is the lowest. There you go. That's the honest and true review of this place. Roaming Nair, signing off.